lake views of Flathead Lake. We will be changing time zones today, getting into mountain time. We'll be crossing from Montana through Idaho and Washington State.
We are heading to Spokane, Washington today, and it's a milestone for us because since our craft brewery visit started a little over 18 months ago, this will be the 100th brewery visit for us.
Time to celebrate!
Yay!
Hopefully we pick a good one.
Put him in the woods, buddy.
It was a quick drive through Idaho, about an hour. We'll have to visit there another time.
Make sure I clear the tray. Make sure I'm clearing that tray.
We were disappointed by the beer at the 100th brewery tasting we did. Oh well, you win some, you lose some.
Hot copy of your receipt put on the dashboard.
Perfect. We're ready.
No, we're not. This bridge covers the 216-foot gap over the Spokane River.
Yes, we're standing on the swinging bridge and it's a little scary.
This modern suspension bridge was built in 1997. It replaced the 1940s bridge built by the Civilian Conservation Corps when it was just a rustic swinging bridge.
made it.
What a beautiful spot. We didn't get to do the whole hike because it was time to go biking.
What a beautiful day.
We found our way onto the Centennial Trail in Spokane. We are paralleling the river, which I thought we'd be near, but I'm guessing we're like 500 feet above it in elevation. But you can see some of the city buildings back there and a bridge. And I think we have about maybe 2 miles to go on this path until we hit downtown and the waterfalls. Well, we're making progress. I don't know if you can hear us over the falls, or if you can see them behind us. But there's some. I think it said these are the biggest falls somewhere. We'll have to fix that.
Yeah, we'll put it in the comment below.
But there's a bridge right over it, and the falls, and
The biggest urban falls?
yeah.
I think that's what it was called.
Riverfront Park was created on the site of Expo 74, which attracted almost 5 million visitors. The Expo had an environmental theme, and it was the smallest city to ever host a World Exposition at that time. 100 acres of land that was previously a railway and industry was removed to create this site. The looffcarousel was hand-carved by Charles Looff. He immigrated to the U.S. as a teenager, became a skilled wood carver, and he built the first carousel in Coney Island. It contains 54 ornate jeweled horses that have real horsehair tails. It's been in service since 1909 and is one of the most well-preserved hand-carved wooden carousels still in existence.
here with the garbage goat. I don't know quite what happens, but they give you goat food in the gift shop there, and I'm afraid. I'm seriously afraid. It's gonna like.
You gotta turn it on. It's a vacuum thing, I think.
Oh, you have to push the button first. Okay.
Did that make your day?
Oh yes. There's my king on the king court. I just keep going down the losers bracket.
It's so good to see you.
We found a friendly and very good group of pickleball players at Comstock Park. Charlie and I very much enjoyed playing there. We did enjoy our short stay in Spokane. The geology and the history was fascinating.
It's just us two.
Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and watch for our next video when we make it to Seattle.